Hi, we're working with a radical equation now. This is problem number 33, and we're going to solve this equation. Better put my glasses on if I'm going to see. There we go. So the problem is number 33, which is the square root of x plus 49 plus 7 equals x. There are steps you have to follow. The first one is to always isolate the radical. In this problem, you have only one radical. So subtract the external 7 from both sides. Now the square root of x plus 49 equals x minus 7. The second step is to square both sides of the equation to get the square root off of x plus 49. So here's the equation. Square root of x plus 49 equals x minus 7. And we will now square both sides of this equation. On the left, the squaring just takes off the radical. But on the right side, this is all part of step 3, which is solving. Now you're going to solve the equation. When you square the right-hand side, you've got to remember to FOIL. This is a binomial. You're going to have a binomial times a binomial. So x plus 49 is going to equal x squared minus 7x minus 7x plus negative 7 times negative 7 is 49. So this will give us, let's combine our like terms, x plus 49 equals x squared minus 14x plus 49. Now we use the zero principle, which is to drag everything in the quadratic equation over to one side, set it equal to 0. Because you notice we have all three terms here. We have the A term, we have the B term, we have the C term, otherwise known as the quadratic term, the linear term, and the constant term. This will give us a 0 on the left-hand side, which is using the zero principle, having the 0 on one side. We'll be left with x squared minus 15x because the 49's 0 out. Now the easiest way to handle this is to factor. When you've got a quadratic and a linear term, factor it. Factor by the common factor. Pull out an x. You'll have x times x minus 15. Set each factor equal to 0 and solve. X is already equal to 0, but here x is going to equal 15. So it looks like you have two answers, two solutions, 0 and 15, right? Not necessarily, because this is a radical equation. You don't know if either of those answers works in the original radical equation. You have to check each solution, or each possible solution, because all they are right now is possible solutions. 0, and 15. If you're wondering what that rattling is, that's my dog Ayla chewing on a bag. 0 plus 49, I'm testing x equals 0. 0 plus 49 plus 7 equals 0. Is this a true statement? I put 0 in for the x's. That will give me the square root of 49 plus 7 equals 0. 7 plus 7 equals 0. No, I don't think so. 14 equals 0 is false. So that means that 0 is not a solution. Now that doesn't mean that 15 automatically is. We need to check 15 as well. I've solved problems where neither answer works. All right, we'll put 15 in for both the x's. The square root of 15 plus 9, of 49, plus 7 equals 15. So this will be the square root of 64 plus 7 equals 15. 8 plus 7, does that equal 15? You bet. So 15 equals 15. That's a true statement. And what that means is that 15 is a solution. It's our only solution to this problem. There's Ayla, the black lab. All right, so let's put 15 in the answer box and check it. It works. Hooray for us.